Well, hello and welcome. My name is Tim, and I am the Director of Admissions and Enrollment for the college here at College Unbound. We're so grateful that you joined our virtual open house. Have you ever dreamed of completing your college education, but somehow life got in the way? I want to talk to you about turning that dream into a reality. College Unbound is a degree-granting institution where you can complete your bachelor's degree and you can take steps to complete that degree while keeping your full-time job. How, you might ask? College Unbound is a college that's designed for the working adult. That means that you'll be able to take classes at your workplace, online, even on campus. There are all kinds of features and activities that the college offers to working adults to advance your career standing and to take you one step closer to the future that you're crafting for yourself. Let's listen to some testimonials from some of our students right now.
We are creatures that just love to learn.
So I started College Unbound.
College Unbound offers a lot of innovation. It's a new way to learn.
Their hands are in it with you. Their footwork is in it with you. Their energy speaks for itself.
Coming to College Unbound was not just getting the degree. To me, it's so much bigger than that.
When one of the first exercises here at College Unbound, I was asked, all of us were asked to write a 6-word story about ourselves. I'm literally counting down, like, nope, that won't work. And I eventually came up with, you don't know what you don't. And it's like, that's it. You don't know what you don't. If you don't get to that point of getting to know it, you're never going to learn it.
The reading is phenomenal. And it's saying the same things that this textbook in my psychology class did, but in a totally different way.
They saw a group of people who needed something different and who had all the potential and who were working out there, living their lives, and couldn't move on because of, circumstances, and didn't get that education or didn't have the opportunity.
It's impacted me at work and given me a direction to go in with these young ones and how to transcend or that energy so it becomes synergy. And it showed me that. And then in my home, it's taught me how to stay encouraging my children when they are feeling frustrated, instead of allowing it to drain me as we do as moms sometimes, because we take on so much of their pain that it actually will drain us. It has taught me, and I'm a new student, and it has taught me in a very short period of time how to take that energy and turn it into something positive, turn it into something to change the entire atmosphere.
When things are presented or put into play in a way that align with my interests, which have been and will be and continue to be helping young men and women not go through the same obstacles that I went through and presenting opportunities for them, especially those folks who have been to prison, because in prison from a very early age I was conditioned to do laborer-type work. And the reason why was because I was made to believe that since I am a convicted felon, I could no longer be an academic. And that's not a feeling that is mine alone. Like, I'm not special when it comes to that. Like, plenty of my peers who are some really bright and smart individuals were not given the opportunity to get an education because they broke the law.
I have work full-time, and I'm in school full-time, but I leave class, I go into class at 5:30, get out at 8:30, and I leave there more energized than when I get there.
A lot of my fuel is I want to know. I want to be able to get to know it more than just on surface level.
I make all these connections, and I learned to make these types of connections through the learning that I did at College Unbound.
Now all these dots are connecting, and, my brain's going crazy.
It took me about a full semester to really figure out and get my groove, but I really found that this was my style of learning. Like, I needed to be able to actually put things into practice.
It not only gives you hope, but it gives you energy, it gives you drive.
For me, it's going to provide me with opportunities to access places and spaces that I might not be able to.
As you can see, our students are driven, smart, intelligent individuals just like you who want to craft a better future for themselves. We hope that you can see yourself being a part of the College Unbound family. Why don't you take the next step? You've already taken the first one by joining this open house. Take the next step. Join us online at collegeunbound.org, or you can call us at 401-919-2803 to speak with someone from our recruitment team. We're so excited to see what the future will hold, and we can't wait to welcome you at College Unbound. See you soon.